Hello Junior 5 again. We will continue talking about the properties of natural numbers and we will talk about multiplication and division today. Here we will talk about the number line. 2 times 4 on the number line. So 2 repeated 4 times. So 2, 4, 6 and 8. So my answer will be 8. So if I multiply any two numbers or any two natural numbers, the answer will be a natural number. From these, the first property of natural numbers, which is closure. As we know in the addition that any two natural numbers plus each other, the answer will be natural number. Here in division, any two natural numbers multiply by each other, the answer will always be natural number. So it's closed in natural number, so it means that multiplication is closure. But not always any two natural numbers divisible by each other, the answer will be natural number, as 2 divided 5 will be 2 over 5 and fraction doesn't belong to natural number. The second one, which is commutative, and as we know in the multiplication, if we convert the places or shift the places of two natural numbers in multiplication, it will be the same answer. So multiplication is commutative under natural numbers, but division is not, because 6 divided 2 equals 3, but 2 divided 6 equals 2 over 6, so it doesn't equal. So I can't shift the numbers under division, so division is not commutative. The third one, which is associative, if we talk two, if we have three numbers multiplying by each other, I can take two numbers in a bracket multiply by the third one, but I have to leave the places as same as it is, because if I shift the places or convert the places, it's commutative. But the division, I can't take two numbers in bracket divisible by the third. So multiplication under natural number is associative, but division is not. The third one, which is distributive. Distributive, we can use it in the multiplication, but we can't use it in division. The fifth one, which is multiplicative identity. As we know, the additive identity or the neutral element of addition is 0. Here, the multiplicative identity or the neutral element of multiplication is 1. Any number multiplies by 1 gives us the same number. And here, the zero property of multiplication, as all we know that any number multiplies by 0, the answer will be 0. Here, all the properties of add, under, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The closure. Addition is closure, subtraction is not. Multiplication is closure, division is not. Commutative. Addition and multiplication are commutative under natural numbers, but subtraction and division are not. Here, too, addition and multiplication are associative under natural numbers, but subtraction and division are not. Distributive. Addition, we can use the distributive property under addition, but we can't use it under multiplication and division. We can use it under addition and subtraction, but not acceptable under multiplication and division. And as we know, we will talk about natural numbers, so all the elements we see are belong to natural numbers. The additive identity property or the neutral element of addition is 0, and as we know that the multiplicative identity or the neutral element of multiplication is 1. Any number multiplied by 1 equals 1. Any number plus 0 has the same number, and the zero property of multiplication, that any number times 0, the product will be 0.